Hey ladies, it's time to talk foundation. How do you choose what foundation is right for you? You know what? It can be hard. And I know that everyone struggles with this, especially if you're not used to picking foundation. I have my eye makeup done, but I don't have any foundation on my skin right now, just so I can show you how you choose your foundation. Now, there's two ways to do it. One is, trying it out on your face and testing different colors, which sometimes I'm able to send you depending on what I have available and what colors you wear and your skin tones and all that. So first of all, you have to decide, are you more of a yellow tone or are you more of a pink tone underneath your skin? Do you feel like you burn easily? Are you tanning quickly? When you look at your veins in the sunshine, do they have a green look to them or do they look blue? I know, weird, right? But if they look more blue, then you're more of a pink tone, and if they look more green, then you're more of a yellow tone. Now, you could be a neutral tone too, which is kind of in the middle. So you might have some pink undertones, but you also might have some yellow undertones. So it just depends on what your mix is. So if you're neutral, there are certain colors that you're supposed to use in that instance. All right, so if you are pink in Younique makeup, you could wear organza, chiffon, and charmeuse. I hope I'm saying that right. And then yellow is velour, velvet, and satin. 3 colors for you there. So I am more yellow to neutral tones. I can kind of go either way. So that's where I kind of fit more in, I find myself. And then for your neutrals, it's scarlet, which is our lightest, taffeta, cashmere, cypress, and that's all. So, okay, so what I do, say for our liquid, I have 3 right here, right? So I have velour, satin, and taffeta. Those are the colors I know already that I go in between, but just to try to figure it out, what I would do is I would just take a little bit on my finger, and you can either put it on your chin, like your jawline right here, and test out the color, or you can do it on your neck. I tend to feel like I could do that on my face because I do a bronzer on my neck, which darkens up my neck a little bit. But you can see my natural tone is darker on my face than it is on my neck. All right, taffeta is the next one. All right, so again, I can just put it on my hand here and apply it with a different finger and put it on my skin. Okay, and then I can put it on my neck. It's gonna look darker on my neck than it does on my face. And that's okay. I put makeup on my neck as well because I feel like it evens all of my tones out. And now it depends on what your chest is like and if you're putting sunscreen on your chest or not. This is satin, the last color. You can even see on my hand the difference between taffeta to satin. And let me show you velour. Okay, those are the 3 colors that I'm testing in between right now. All right, I already know. Right now, this is a little dark for me because it's my summer color. And then I can put it on my, woo, look at that on my neck. And you can really see it on my neck. So that's how I choose my foundation. You can do this with powders, which we do have our powder, our pressed powders, which are just fantastic. I tend to go a little bit darker in the powders than I do in our liquid form, so I can actually wear satin in our powders. So that makes it kind of a difference there. And then we also have our cream, which I feel like our cream pressed are very similar in color to our powder. And then we have our BB creams. Usually with BB creams, if you're going to be contouring your face, you want to make sure that you have a few different colors options. Possibly 3 would be the best for you. So let's go ahead and go into that a little bit.